If coding is so simple, why can't I write the code? This is the question I've been asked several times, and my answer to this question is with an example of driving a car. So your example is like a person who's sitting on the passenger seat and watching the driver, how he drives the cars, and this person or you know that how to handle a car, like using the steering wheel and the gearbox or the escalator or the clutch system, and you also know all the rules that need to be followed when driving the car. But still you can't drive the car because you never try to drive the car, you never practice it. So if you never practice it, it doesn't matter how many YouTube videos you watch, you go through several tutorials, or you read a lot of articles or books, and if you don't practice it, that means you haven't learned it. So the learning really mean gaining the confidence to drive the car on any road. It doesn't matter, once you have learned it, with a little bit practice you can drive the car on any different type of roads, or even you can drive any other type of car as well. So I would request you to practice, start coding, and if you get frustrated, that means that you are learning, and you go to you activate that part of your brain which try to solve the problem on its own instead of looking for the shortcuts or the videos. Start practicing today, start coding today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.